This is a quick tutorial on how to change registration settings when you're in Zoom. So the first thing you need to go to is your meetings on the left side panel, and you have to actually click into the upcoming meeting. You'll then see this registration tab here, which does not show up if you do not have registrations turned on. So once I click that, I go to edit, and this is where you can change all of the questions. So under questions, you would be able to select some that are pre-created, or you can create your own. So add question. And you can either leave it as a short text box or a single choice. Unfortunately, the options are a little bit limited in terms of not being able to select multiple options, and the short text is really not that many characters, so it is quite a short response. I've unfortunately done this so many times where I go directly to hit save all, but you actually have to save each individual question before you hit save all. The other thing to note is that I have not found a way to be able to change the order of these additional questions. So I would probably plan out what you intend on asking so that you can make sure that they show up in the correct order. The interesting thing is that if you edit and you do single choice, it pops up here that you can rearrange them. So maybe that's just something we have to give feedback on for them to fix that, but it doesn't look like you can rearrange the actual questions, just the responses within the single choice. So then you want to hit save again, and then save all, and then they're going to save for future use.